All right, speaking of renders, since we're the render show, welcome back to Render Later. This is the iPhone 13 VR edition.
Whoa.
Subtext, take my money.
I mean, I'm interested.
That take my money meme has hung in there, hasn't it?
Yeah, the Fry meme.
It's hung in there.
That's got to be 10 years old.
It's almost like the meme is almost bigger than the show at that point. When you said Futurama.
Yeah.
Damn. I guess the other dude, Bender. I remember some of these things. Billion years ago.
Names.
That's the extent of it. I don't know. Didn't you have a scientist dude as well?
Man.
Yeah.
Dr.
Professor.
I don't know.
Oh, boy.
We're in the weeds here.
So this little thing, it looks very Xiaomi inspired with the, it looks like a display on the back, 4 camera modules, and then a headset to match. I think, did it receive an "Oh baby" from one of you or?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So obviously it's looking somewhat exciting. This is not based on schematics or rumored specifications of anything. This is just strictly dreaming, which is fine. The source is Concepts iPhone, and they've also got a video to show it off. Check it out, courtesy of YouTube channel Concepts iPhone and creator Antonio De Rosa. A mixed reality headset to go alongside this very unlikely, impossible iPhone 13. I don't know. Maybe one day companies embrace this rear-facing display, but seems unlikely. I still haven't even checked it out on the Xiaomi one. Supposedly it's somewhere. Well, that phone.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. You told me it was like stuck in customs or something.
Yeah, unfortunately. Still is.
Oh, is it? Okay, so one day I'll check out the screen on the back on the latest device, but will it happen in an iPhone? I'm not betting on it.
Cool.
I'm not betting on it.
I like this guy's videos because he makes them look like an Apple commercial. Like he does the text the right way, but they're a bit aggressive with the camera moves. But I kind of like it. I like that he's trying it and doing it. And I like that he's dreaming.
I think that's him in the picture right there.
Is it? Wow.
Yeah, give himself a shout out right there.
It's a bit cheeky.
Yeah, it is.
Ever since we talked about cheeky, me and you, now that's your go-to.
Yeah.
You're Mr. Cheeky over there.
Yeah.